Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a super aesthetic Instagram stories using the cutout transition effect. And the best part is you can do it directly inside Instagram. It's fast, easy and perfect for glow up edits, travel moments or any aesthetic montage. And okay, let's get started. First, just open your Instagram app and then just add the stories. Just tap on your stories and then in here just tap on Collage, this one. This feature will let you add multiple photos to your story layout. Just choose several photos. Usually it must minimal 5 photos. Just use the photo that you want to use for these transitions. For example, maybe outfit photos, product shots, or aesthetic lifestyle pictures. For example, like this, and then after that, just tap on next. Okay, like this. And then when you're done, just tap on done. Okay, like this. Your collage now it looks aesthetic, smooth and ready for a creative transitions. And then next, you can enhance your story even more, like maybe add music or add text to add captions or quotes or titles, or you can also add stickers or more effects to make your stories more engaging. And okay, maybe that's it. And when you're happy with the everything, just tap on pause and that's it. Your aesthetic cutout transition stories is ready and live. It's super easy and all done inside Instagram without an editing apps. And okay, maybe that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.